is Loc Phan. I am the co-founder and VP of R&D for OrthoFX.
Okay, and so what are you going to show us here, Loc?
What I'm going to show you today is our nighttime aligner cross sections. If you would look here, these are two of our nighttime aligner cross sections. One is the cross section across here. If you look closely in detail, you can see the hollowness of the cross section where you see. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes. And then if you look here, and this is the another cross section along the occlusal plane.
Okay.
If you look at the blue ink mark right there, you can see that it's hollow. Okay.
Okay.
And then the same thing here. I insert a pin in here to show that the hollowness of the cross section.
Okay.
Okay. Now, the fact that the hollowness is there is for the hyperelasticity to demonstrate itself. So what that does is that it shows the independent relationship between force and strain. Here we're going to demonstrate load and the deflection on a scale because stress and strain demonstration requires a different piece of equipment. So if we put the material that's used to make OrthoFX nighttime here, and the material that is used to make the Zindura A here, and the material that's used to make Zindura FLX here. So you tear the scale and make sure it's displayed in gram mode as opposed to fluid ounces. Here's a load and deflection demonstration. If you push down on the aligner material, you can see that the load goes up drastically as you're pushing down on it. And when you let it goes away very quickly. And then this is the same thing with the Zindura FLX aligner material. So as opposed to that, here's an OrthoFX nighttime alignment material. It goes up to around 50 grams, and watch how we can change the flex, and it stays continue to stay around 40-50 grams.
Yeah, so next year we'll just buddy up with somebody else.
So from a clinical standpoint, Loc, what is this? How does this relate to how it's being used in the mouth?
First is that for the loading phase, when the loading force is so high, that represents a lot of pain to the patient. And the other thing is that as the tooth moves slightly, the force goes down to nothing. But with the OrthoFX nighttime material, as you can see here, the starting load is low and relatively close to the optimal forces, and then as you can see when we're flexing it, it stays about the same. So that means that as the tooth moves, the force to move the teeth doesn't go away. It continues to be there to continue the movement journey all the way down to the end.
Okay. All right, great. Thank you so much, Loc.